Hey there, fellow tech enthusiast. If you're out there on the farm searching for better machinery but feeling a bit lost on what to choose and where to find it, you're in for a treat. Right here at Power Pulse, we're going to dive into the incredible world of the top 50 agriculture machines that can truly revolutionize your work. These cutting-edge gadgets will not only make your daily tasks easier, but also add a whole new level of satisfaction and fun to your farming experience. So, buckle up and let's embark on an exciting journey through the fascinating realm of futuristic agricultural machinery. If you're in the market for a top-notch harvester, especially for grape harvesting and vineyard tasks, this bad boy is your ultimate choice. It can handle steep and tricky terrain with ease and boasts a spacious bucket for high-capacity field work. What's even more exciting is the latest model with its new premium sorting system. This system not only simplifies operations, but also cranks up productivity while ensuring the delivery of top-quality fruit. It's the full package for vineyard enthusiasts. If you're all about cutting more hay in less time, then this machine's your perfect match. It's got a nice and roomy 9-foot transportation width and a cutting width that spans from 17.7 to 19.3 feet, making the whole deal hassle-free whether you're operating, transporting, or doing maintenance. Plus, there are some nifty Q3 shaft-driven cutters in the mix, helping you maximize performance, keep the gears minimal, and save some hard-earned bucks. And guess what's the cherry on top? A solid 3-year warranty. If you're into harvesting lettuce, spinach, and green salads without breaking a sweat, this harvester is your ultimate time saver. Sporting a 120-centimeter wide cutting bar, it ensures your vegetation gets a precise and neat trim. What's even cooler is how you can easily adjust the height to match your plant size. This machine is all about comfort and efficiency, helping you get the job done quickly and effortlessly. Love gardening? This equipment is your go-to tool. It's not just your average tractor, it's a multitasking powerhouse. Take the Culti Inversion 23 CV for example. It can do much more than you'd expect, like sowing and harvesting. Picture this, it can work its magic on those carrots, weeding them even when they're planted in rows just 4 centimeters apart. It's like having a gardening superhero on your side. So this cool gadget is all about making grass collection a breeze. Picture this, it's got 4 snazzy rotating blades, and they work their magic to corral a whopping 6 meters of grass into a tidy single row. And you know what that means? Collecting and balancing that lush grass becomes a whole lot easier. If you're all about sowing seeds and making your garden thrive, this equipment is a game changer. It's the ace when it comes to prepping your soil, the final and crucial step in getting that perfect seed bed. This wonder machine sweeps away compacted soil, creating the perfect environment for air and water to work their magic. The result? Soil that's porous and ready for your plants to flourish and grow like champions. Do you have a medium or sprawling farm to tend to? Look no further than the OV100 harvester. It's the real deal. With a generous 100 centimeters working width and a powerful 23 horsepower under the hood, this machine is built for some serious action. It doesn't stop there though. It packs a whopping 700-liter hopper that can rise up to 2.5 meters when loading. Plus, with those nifty radial piston hydraulic motors, it's a pro on slopes. Oh, and the best part? It can pull in a jaw-dropping 2,000 tons of fruits. Harvesting made easy and efficient. Do you want precise weed control? This hoe is the perfect one for the job. The finger weeder is the best way to remove weeds from the row, and being the only hand tool equipped with a finger weeder, your weeding becomes way easier and makes your environment very clean. It can also be mounted on a single or double wheel, depending on your preference. You can now make mulch without the use of a tractor. This is very adjustable to handle different bed widths and sizes. It would be easy to use in tunnels, greenhouses, and places with limited spaces. And it can run more than one drip tape line. It can also be used with mulch from 36 to 60 inches wide. You don't want to spend money on a mini combine and thresher, but you want something effective? Then this machine is a go for you. It would aid with clean threshing, and it'll completely separate the grains from the plants. The lightweight makes it easier to use in weird topography and easier to maintain. If you stay in hilly and mountain areas and you have wheat and rice to harvest, this machine is perfect for you. With a powerful 3.6-liter turbo engine and 100 horsepower, you get high power for a variety of tasks. If you like video games, you'd like this one because the control is a joystick and foot pedal. Also, you have 5 hydraulic 3 pinches available for attachments, and the low noise level of the machine makes for seamless work for the driver. This has a high-performance electrically driven fan and a detachable spray boom with 16 nozzles. If you own an orchard or a vineyard, this device would be a non-stop working machine for you. It can even be used on a medium-sized farmland as well. If you need things lifted in a vineyard or an orchard, this is the best equipment to get. What's interesting is that this robot can be controlled to do your work by using your phone. It's like playing a game. This fertilizer spreader allows you to maximize the properties and keep emissions to a minimum. With the use of this machine, farmers can reduce waste, optimize sources, and aid in more sustainable and environmentally friendly agricultural environments. Are you looking for the best soil fertilizer? This machine is the best. It's a 3-wheeled machine that has the attachments to spread any form of fertilizer. You should also know about the hydraulic and pneumatic suspensions, which create a seamless driving experience. If you're into large-scale farming, this equipment is for you. This machine weighs 47 tons and it can do 47 plows at once. And the thing about it is that it runs on coal, which means you don't need a lot of diesel. If you're a large-scale cabbage farmer, you can't turn your back on this machine. It has an automatic cutting system and can harvest up to 1,000 kilograms of cabbage per hour. With the classifying and cleaning mechanism in the machine, you can easily remove the remaining roots and leaves from the cabbage. And it is so good that you can immediately take the harvested cabbage to market for consumption. Are you a potato farmer? This machine would make your work a lot more stress-free and fun. This machine can harvest up to 4 rows of potatoes at once at the speed of 1.5 to 6 kilometers per hour. You'll get your work done a lot quicker. And because of the build of the machine, it can operate on any potato soil and density. This machine will help you to easily cut and grind corn into feed. Yes, the one for animals. The cutting blade is around 20 meters wide, and it can cut up to 20 rows of corn at once. You won't even know you're working if you're working in vast fields. With a 13.8-liter diesel engine, 548 horsepower, and a capacity fuel tank, this machine can work on your wheat farm for hours. With the cutting blade having up to a length of 12.8 meters, you just know that you'll get your work done faster. Also, the intelligent green processing light and the sharp blades of the machine would help to reduce the loss of your crop as much as possible. Do you want to harvest red cabbage? This is the most popular and most effective machine. Even with its size, it is flexible, lightweight, and rather easy to move. Also, having an automatic control system that helps get the quality of harvested products makes it improve harvesting efficiency and reduces waste. There will be a point when insects will invade your farm, and what better option than to spray them fast and effectively enough before they attack? The Karima machine has a 25 to 60 horsepower range, can spray within the range of 24 meters, and can be easily adjusted to user requirements. This machine has made the harvesting of tomatoes tremendously easier. With its stem and fruit sorting mechanism, the machine ensures the quality of the tomatoes and separates the two parts easily without causing damage. This machine aids in easy tilling and soil preparation before planting flowers. It has other uses, like helping to maintain soil moisture by plowing. The size of the machine makes it easy to cover vast areas in little time. If you have a vast area of land to clear up, this duo is the best option, as they help in grass collection. The Max cuts the grass, and the Holland FR650 sucks the grass, leaving a very neat texture. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you're hungry for more juicy insights on the coolest tech gear out there, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like and subscribe button. We've got plenty more awesome content coming your way, so stay tuned for the latest updates. Thanks a bunch, and here's to an awesome day ahead.